Especially people of African descent and Gullah Geechees, as much as we live on the island, don't really explore the great outdoors. We live there in balance with harmony and nature, but don't always know the meaning of protecting all of that and being good stewards. So I hope you're going to join me in it. We're going to talk about these kind of issues and what these things mean as I come out to your cities and your countries with one of two of my children's books that are out here now, including The Sandman's Daughter, written with Robin Carter, illustrated by Al Hawkins, who actually did the film The Will to Survive, the story of the Gullah Geechee Nation. So hunnuh chillun, keep up with me and join me on this shoreline journey for Yeti about not only who we be, but how we take care of what they upon the shore and we see at Gullah Geechee. hunnuh chillun know who this shall be. This shall the Queen Quet, head upon the Gullah Geechee Nation body. See you soon, everybody. Peace.